everyone out here when it's too smoky and hot outside. Yeah, use your stairs for cardio before you go on a mountain hunt. I'm leaving in a week. 60 pounds on my back, up and down the stairs for 20 minutes non-stop. So right now you're about to watch the 2013 part 2 moose hunt. So like and subscribe and leave a comment below if you like what you see. Thank you.
Here we are, we're feeding whiskey jacks right out of our hands. These things are so tame. Look at this, watch it, it's going up the hill there.
Watch my finger. Hey, you bugger.
Don't move, Norm. He got it, yeah. Al's like with birds, he's just like with girls, he's got them eating out of the palm of his hand. That was good.
Away.
Just found a sleeping porcupine. Moose bedded down. How far away I am. 1,150 yards. Well, I got a nice bull spotted there. It's not a record, but he's could be pushing 50 inches. It's just how the hell am I going to get him out of there if I shoot him? And plus, take a look at this. Well over a mile away. So I'm thinking of heading right over in here. And hopefully we can get a quad down here and then up that side. I'm not sure. I don't know. Because there's no way we'll be packing that thing out by hand or backs. But he looks, I don't know if you can see that on the video. But he's all by himself, so hopefully I can get over there and maybe call him to me. That's my plan. He's already been raking trees and stuff, so maybe I can get him a little fired up. I got him boogie though, I have to get over there real fast. It shouldn't take me too long. Maybe an hour. Hopefully he sticks around. I'll keep you guys posted. There's a moose there. He seems to be interested in my calls. Let's see what happens. See, here he comes. Maybe. Seems a long ways away, but a moose can travel a long distance fast. If he wants to come in. I'm raking the trees. Hello, Rick. Hello, Rick. Deal. Keep coming, buddy. Right on. Hopefully he comes right over. Keep coming, buddy. You have to come over to my side. This is 1,000 yards away, 1,089 yards away. I just ranged him. Still coming. Slowly. Looks like he still might be interested. Still a long way to go though.